Look, if you're tired of checking your bank account and feeling that heavy pit in your stomach every single month, you need to listen very closely to what I'm about to say. The truth is, you aren't just unlucky with money. You are likely being sabotaged by habits you don't even realize you have. Most people spend their entire lives working for money without ever understanding the invisible traps that keep them running on a financial treadmill. And by the time they realize what's happening, years of potential wealth have slipped through their fingers. Today, we are breaking that cycle and exposing the 10 most dangerous money mistakes that are keeping you broke. But more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them so you can finally start building the life you actually deserve. Before we dive into these life-changing shifts, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Here at Wealth Logic Pro, we are dedicated to giving you the raw, unfiltered truth about financial freedom that the school system never taught you. By subscribing, you're making a commitment to your future self, commitment that you want to stay in the same position next year that you are in today. So join our community and let's get your finances on the right track starting immediately. The first major mistake that is absolutely draining your potential is the trap of lifestyle inflation. This is that sneaky urge to upgrade your life every time your income goes up. You get a small raise or a bonus, and suddenly that older car doesn't look good enough. Or you feel like you need a bigger apartment. But what you're actually doing is ensuring that you stay broke at a higher level of income. The solution is to keep your expenses static while your income grows. This widens the gap between what you earn and what you spend. And that gap is where true wealth is born. If you can master the art of living like you still making your old salary while banking the difference, you'll build a powerful surplus. Closely tied to this is the second mistake. Relying on consumer debt to fund a lifestyle you can't afford. High-interest credit cards are the ultimate wealth killers. They force you to pay for your past long after the excitement of the purchase has faded. To fix this, adopt a scorched earth policy toward high-interest debt. Pay off the smallest balances first to gain momentum, or pay off the highest interest rates first to save money. But the key is never using debt for things that lose value over time. Another massive error is the lack of an emergency fund. This leaves you one flat tire or one medical bill away from financial ruin. Without a safety net, every minor inconvenience becomes a major crisis, and that crisis forces you to borrow more money. This creates a cycle of desperation that is hard to break. You need to prioritize saving at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep this money in a liquid, easily accessible account. So when life happens, it becomes an inconvenience rather than a disaster. The fourth mistake is neglecting the power of compound interest. Many people wait too long to start investing. They think they need thousands of dollars to begin. But time is far more valuable than the amount of money you start with. Even $50 a month in your 20s can grow into a fortune. Starting in your 40s requires much larger investments just to catch up. Letting your money work for you while you sleep is one of the smartest moves you can make. The fifth mistake is focusing only on saving instead of increasing your earning capacity. You can only cut expenses so much before you hit a wall, but your income potential is theoretically unlimited. If you spend all your time clipping coupons but no time learning new skills, you cap your growth. You need to invest in yourself first. Read books, get certifications, or learn a high-income skill. The sixth mistake is falling for get-rich-quick schemes. It usually happens because of impatience. Real wealth is built slowly and consistently. Many people lose their savings chasing shortcuts that don't exist. The solution is to adopt a long-term mindset. Stick to proven investment strategies. Avoid speculative bubbles and trendy schemes. The seventh mistake is not tracking your spending. Many people have no idea where their money goes each month. Small daily leaks slowly drain your account. Unused subscriptions, expensive coffees, and frequent takeout add up fast. You don't need a complex system, but you do need awareness of your cash flow. Decide where your money should go instead of wondering where it went. The eighth mistake is prioritizing comfort over growth. Staying in a low-paying job because it's easy keeps you stuck. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Sometimes that means changing cities, careers, or taking calculated risks. The ninth mistake is not having a clear financial goal. If you don't know what you're saving for, it's easy to spend impulsively. A strong why gives you discipline, Whether it's early retirement, a home, or supporting your family, clear goals help you resist short-term temptations. The 10th mistake is trying to do everything alone. Without a community or mentors, progress becomes harder. We become like the people we spend the most time with. If your circle is always broken, negative, it affects you too. Staying connected to positive, growth-focused communities changes your mindset. As we wrap up, take a serious look at your own habits. Identify which mistake is holding you back the most. Don't feel guilty about the past. You can't change it, but you have full control over what you do from this moment forward. Tell me in the comments which mistake you've struggled with and what your plan is to fix it this month. Your comments help us grow and reach more people. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Helping others improve their lives strengthens your own progress. Thank you for watching and being part of the Wealth Logic Pro family. Stay OC used, stay disciplined. I'll see you in the next one.